Greetings to all crypto enthusiasts and a warm welcome to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay updated on any upcoming airdrops. Eigenlayer's claiming window is currently open until the following month, as many are already aware. You can easily claim your portion of the Eigen tokens by simply connecting your wallet through the provided link in the description. To increase your chances, it is advisable to possess LSTs or LRTs liquid staked tokens, while also being mindful of the transaction gas fees for a successful claim. Let's now delve into Eigenlayer itself, a revolutionary project formulated to boost the security and scalability of the Ethereum network by facilitating the restaking of ETH across various protocols. This unique system enables staked ETH to serve as crypto economic security for other protocols in return for fees and rewards, thereby enhancing capital efficiency for validators and presenting fresh opportunities for developers within the Ethereum ecosystem. If you found this content valuable, share it with your acquaintances. If you encounter any challenges, comment, and I'll endeavor to assist promptly. Happy hunting, everyone!